Hi friend, this is Chloe.
This is Kelsey.
We are from Mink Lashes. You can see today we are introducing you our two big lashes. You can see this is the first style
And the second style.
The two styles are very long. They are our new 40mm lashes. They are all Mink Lashes. You can see.
Now introduce our first 40mm Mink Lashes style. The details. This is the first style. It is very soft and good quality.
And now I will introduce you our second styles. You can see our lashes is famous because it's high quality and soft. You can see. Now I show you. You can see this style is very sexy. You can wear our the two big lashes for festival day and the party. You will be the most beautiful girl. Bye.